Hey, if you want to get free animated themes on your Galaxy M34 5G, all you have to do is just to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and then go into the settings. From here you have to scroll down and go into the themes. Now just wait for the loading and then tap on the search in the right upper corner and type free animated themes. And from here you can actually find the most popular, the top 3, the top paid, but let's of course stay with the top 3 because that's the title of this video. And now you can actually pick any that you want. Let's say that I want to get, for example, this one. So here I can click on it. It is also changing the ringtone and the alarm. Now I can click download. That's actually the download size of this theme. So we have to wait until it will be downloaded. So let's skip to the second one because it will take too much time to download it. This one is actually smaller, but the applying process actually looks the same. Now after downloading, select the apply button that will appear right here. And now just wait for this applying theme. It will also take for a few seconds. There we go. And now let's check where is animated. Okay, the lock screen actually is animated, but in the some of them you can actually find that animated is the wallpaper, so we have to search for it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.